Hello, everyone. Welcome to JS Tech. I am with another quick tutorial of NumPy. NumPy is a fundamental package of Python programming language. In this video, you will learn about how to install NumPy in PyCharm. Now, let's get started. Go to the bottom left corner and click on the Windows logo. Then, type command prompt and select Command Prompt Application from the search result. In Command Prompt, type pip3, install NumPy, and press Enter key. Then, it will start downloading and install automatically on your computer. Great! You installed NumPy on your computer. After installing NumPy to your computer, close the command prompt and open PyCharm application. Then, go to File from the top left corner and select Settings. Then, under Project Python heading, select Python Interpreter. After that, on right side, click on the plus button. Now, in the search bar, type NumPy. Then, select NumPy from the list and click on the Install package. It will take a few seconds to install NumPy. Now, close this Windows, and you will see NumPy on the list. Okay. This much for today. I will see you in the next tutorial with interesting topics. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.